Hello dear students, welcome to another video of geography. Today we will understand the eclipse in details in this video. There are two types of eclipse, one is solar eclipse, second one is lunar eclipse. We will see the difference between the solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse in this video. Then first is solar eclipse. What is solar eclipse? We know Earth revolves around the sun in a particular orbit, and also moon revolves around this earth in a particular orbit, and sometimes the three of them come in a straight line, and at that time the eclipse takes place, the eclipse occurs. And the solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and the earth, which blocks the sunlight partially or completely in certain areas of the earth, the day side of the earth. And we can't in that particular area the people can't see the sun properly, either partially or totally, and it happens only during the new moon, and it is visible from only certain areas of the day side where the full shadow of the moon falls on the earth, and it lasts for few minutes in any location. When the sun is completely blocked by the full shadow of the moon, then it is called the total solar eclipse. The total sun is not visible from that area. And when the sun is partially blocked, then it is called the partial solar eclipse. It lasts only for few minutes in any location in the day side, and the entire day side cannot see the solar eclipse, and we can't see the solar eclipse in naked eyes. Special protection is needed to view the solar eclipse, that is the x-ray paper or any glasses are needed, black glasses are needed to see the solar eclipse. And now we will see what is lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse means when the earth passes between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the moon. The sunlight can't fall on the moon, that's why we can't see the shadow of earth falls on the moon, and so we can't see the moon at that time, and it happens only during the full moon, and it lasts for several hours. Unlike the solar eclipse, it lasts for the several hours. Solar eclipse lasts only for few minutes, and lunar eclipse lasts for several hours, and it can be seen from anywhere in the night side. The solar eclipse can't be seen in anywhere from the day side, but it can be, the lunar eclipse can be seen from anywhere in the night side of the planet, and it can be safely viewed with the naked eyes. And there are two types of lunar eclipse too. One is the partial lunar eclipse, and other one is the total lunar eclipse. And if the entire moon passes through the earth's umbra, that is the full shadow area, then it is the total lunar eclipse. The entire moon passes through the earth's umbra, and if the part of the moon passes through the earth's umbra, that is the full shadow area, then it is the partial lunar eclipse. The parts of the moon can be viewed. Solar eclipse happens in the new moon time, and lunar eclipse in the during the full moon time. And this is all about the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. We will explore other areas of geography from my next videos, and this is all about the eclipse, and that's all for today. Thank you.